We have code P0002-13, driver airbag module 2. That's associated with the airbag here in the steering wheel. There's two connectors. One is module 1, the other is module 2. I'm going to go back out. We're going to clear our code here. Our code is cleared. But if we turn the steering wheel all the way, the light comes back on, our code returns. But I think our culprit is the clock spring. There are clips inside of these holes on each side of the steering wheel that you must push in to remove the airbag. So this is your spiral cable assembly. Your airbag would hook to this, and then this would mount to the steering column, and then this would spin as you turn the wheel. And so these get a short in the wires here once they've gone too far or wear and tear over time from all the turning motion. And so that's what our problem was. Once we got to the end, the wires were shorted, the light would come on. But this is the spiral cable itself. It also has the steering angle sensor there on the back. It would separate there, but I replaced all of this as one whole unit. There's the part number for this particular vehicle. It may fit others, but you would have to specify based on OEM part number. No more airbag light. See, now we can turn the wheel lock to lock. And no more airbag light.